So hello students, here you can see I have lots of 2D drawings like CCTV, bullet camera, IBOC, CCTV PTZ, CCTV like option 2. These all are 2D drawings. Here one analog camera is there, clock is there, then digital clock. Here one fits is there. So basically we have lots of 2D drawings, and today I am going to explain you one of them. I'll make one 3D drawing. So let's choose one 2D drawing. Okay, so I'll make a 2D drawing of this fixture. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this 2D drawing, this full, and I'll paste in one another file where I'll make it in 3D. So first of all, you just need to change your workspace. Here we are working in 2D workspace. So you need to select this gear option, and this arrow button is there. You just need to select, and here you will see 3D basic, 3D modeling, and 3D. This is I have created workspace for me. So we will select 3D modeling, and here you can see this is the 3D modeling workspace user interface. So what I'll do, I have copied that fixture drawing from this file. So I will paste here. So just simply paste here, and you can see these dimensions became very small. So what we can do is we need to change the dimension scale, or else we can leave it. We don't require this dimension only. So here you can see this is the top view of this picture. Okay, just copy this picture and paste somewhere else. Like here I'll paste, and here is this is the top detail A. Here you can see it is detail A, this is detail B, and this one is detail C. Okay, so this is detail A, you see here, and detail B is here. This is our detail B, and this one is detail C. So just now I have copied detail B, this diagram from here to here. Now what we will do is you just need to click here, okay, this corner, and when you will click this corner, it will shift into 3D workspace. Yeah, so here you can see. So first of all, we are going to create this one, this structure, hollow steel structure, hollow shape we are going to create. So you just check the dimension. What is the dimension written here? So 1988. Okay, so what I will do, I will use Presspull Command. Here you can see this is Presspull Command. Just click on the Presspull, and you need to select the mid of these both lines. Okay, these both rectangles mid you have to select. If you will select here, only this one you can do Presspull. Okay, if you select mid of this, you can Presspull this pull hollow shape. Okay, so we will write 1988 and enter. So you can see here this hollow shape is created, but if you see here, this is like 2D drawing, 2D frames are there. So what we will do, we will go here, and this is 2D wireframe. So we will click on the down arrow button, and when you will click here, you have lots of options like conceptual, hidden, realistic, shaded wireframe, shaded of gray, sketchy wireframe, and X-ray. So you can select any one. Like I am selecting here realistic, and here you can see this is realistic view. Okay, and if you select shaded and gray, you can see this is shaded and gray view. So I think realistic is better, so I use realistic only. Now our steel hollow structure is created, and now we have to create these plates. Okay, so detail A and detail C we need to create. So what we will do, we will just copy this one and just copy this and paste somewhere, like here I pasted. And this one also detail C, this one I'll copy from here and I'll paste here. Now again we need to use just Presspull command and we will keep in center only. Okay, and this if you see thickness, we need to check the thickness. So here we will see it is 6 mm thickness. Okay, this one also 6 mm. So what we will do, we will go select and pull it up and we will write 6 and enter. And same we will do with detail C also, pull it up 6, enter. Okay, so our up and down plate is also ready. Now we have to place it here. So just select this, move, use move command, enter, and select one corner. Okay, and here we will, here this corner we will select. So upside is ready. Now downside, move, again select the corner and place it downside. But here you see, if you see, this is back of the our plan. Okay, it is inside the plan, so we need to move it up. So what I will do, I will just select the full object, select the 3D move, and I'll move it like this. Yes, now it is above the plan. And now what we will do, we will make it union, because the all objects are separate. So we will make it union, but before that, if you see this one, bottom of this object, this is not like connected this line with this one. So we will connect it. So what I'll do, I'll just escape and I'll select this plate, bottom plate, and move it. Just you can simply use M for move and move it up. Here we will place. So now it is perfectly matching with the hollow shape. So now I will make it union. Let's select this command union, select your full object and enter. Now our object is totally fixed. Okay, everywhere. So our object is ready.